Hey, howdy. My name's Brandon from Sublime SEO Pro, and Jonathan had me go ahead and send this over to you. So, in this quick video, I'm going to give you 3 tips and techniques that you can implement to outrank your top competitor online. So, when you type in HVAC company in Thornton, for example, here's your front page. You guys are already here in the number 2 slot on the map pack, and you're on the very bottom of the front page, which is a great start, man. Nice job. So what I'm going to do, though, is show you what 303 Heat is doing. I'm not going to do Angie's or Yelp or Expertise right now, just because that's a different conversation, but I'm going to show you what 303 Heat's doing that's allowing them to rank up higher than you are and kind of be in this first line of sight here. Okay, so you're probably wondering why I'm even sending this to you in the first place. And I realized a while ago that, small business owners are busy. They're busy taking care of their customers, running their business, and they just don't know how to get this done and how to get the internet to bring them more customers. So what I've been doing is just sending out an attack plan to some local small businesses and just giving away this information at no cost. I'm just looking for feedback on this. Nothing's really for sale here. I'm not even sure if I can help you. I'm just hoping you get some value out of this. Some people call me back and say, you know what, Brandon, I like you. Can you help me with this? Some people, take this information and run with it. Whatever you like to do with this is up to you, man. And I just hope that you find some value in this. So whatever you decide to do with this is okay with me. But I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So content is king when it comes to Google. The average website homepage has 1,500 words on it. So your website looks great. It's got a good design, but I wanted to compare it to the analytics of your top company right here. So your website has 714 words on the homepage. So a good place to start is to get that up to at least 1,500 words. Now, it's more important what is in the content than the actual number of words. So we want to place what we call buyer intent keywords throughout your website. So these are keywords that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for your product or service, such as, AC repair in Denver, for example. So I'm going to go, so this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It's a paid tool, but you can use it. You can use any sort of free tool as well. They offer those, but let's take a look at your keywords. So you have 146 keywords, and then this is 303 Heat's website, and here are their analytics. They have 229 keywords. Okay, so they have more keywords than you, and all you got to do is figure out which ones they're using. They've done the hard work, and this is what we call the copycat method. So we want to find all of their relevant keywords that are ranking. So these keywords, this is their rank currently, but some of these, so AC Repair Thornton, they're number 5 right now. This gets 30 volume per month. So we want to find these high volume ones. So this is AC Repair in Brighton, 100 volume, their position number 7. So we need to choose all of the buyer intent keywords that they're currently ranking for, and then find more so that we can throw it into your website. So that's the first thing, is just get more content on your homepage and all of your other pages, most likely, and then add buyer intent keywords to each page. The next thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks. So a backlink is anything that it's any link that links back to your website from another website. So it drives traffic to your site. So Google is like a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites linking to yours. But not all backlinks are created equal. So you'll get a lot more power having other trustworthy, relevant websites linking to you rather than, let's say, a Pizza Hut, because Google knows that you're not in the food industry. Okay? So again, you've got 466 backlinks coming from 113 different websites. Your top competitor there, for at least those keywords I typed in, have 266 backlinks from 67. So you guys have more backlinks than them from more domains. The question is, are they good backlinks? Are they powerful backlinks? I don't know yet. It takes some research to figure that out, but you guys are on the right track from actually having backlinks. So there's some research that needs to go into figuring out why why they're ranking higher than you. A lot of it's probably keywords, and some of it's probably because they have more powerful backlinks than you. Okay. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is how to get into the map pack. You've already done this, so that's great. But this comes down to citations. If we want to get you number one here, we need to get you more citations. So a citation is anywhere you can add your business name, phone number, and address to a directory. So we want to get you as many citations as possible. So we need to outbeat them, figure out how many citations they have, and get more than them. And then we need to optimize your Google My Business profile, and there's a number of ways to do that. But that's all I got for you guys. So those are 3 things you guys can do as a quick recap. You want to add at least 1,500 words to your homepage and place as many buyer intent keywords as you can throughout your website. You want to get more powerful backlinks than your top competitor here, which right now it looks like it's 303 Heat based off of what I typed in Google right here, HVAC company in Thornton. And then you want to get more citations than this impact heating and cooling company. And if you can do all 3 of those things in a matter of time, you will be up here as high as you want, honestly, on this homepage. It just takes some effort and some research. So feel free to take this information and run with it. If you have any questions or feedback, I would love to hear them. And if you do want to chat, I'm open to that. So I hope you have a great day, Audi, and I appreciate your time in watching this video. Thank you so much.